What's up guys, Abid here from my lab YouTube channel, and in this video we will solve time conversion challenge, Hackerrank challenge. Okay, so I will put the link down below to the challenge. You can read it, won't waste your time. So let's first see how many conditions do we have. Okay, I found this website which I think is very useful. Okay, we have the 24-hour format, okay, and we have the 12-hour format. Great. So what are the conditions we have? First, we have two states. It's either AM or PM. Okay, so we have, let's say, 5 AM, it would be 5, or we have 5 PM, which would be 17. Okay, if it is 5 AM, we'll just paste it as is. Okay, we won't change anything. But if it is 5 PM, we will add a 12. If it is 6 PM, we add a 12. So when we convert from the 12-hour format to the 24-hour format and it's in the PM state, we add 12 hours and that's it. But if it's in the AM state, we just put it as is. We have two more conditions, which is on the 12. If it's 12 AM on the 12-hour format, it is 00 in the 24-hour format. But if it is 12-hour on the PM, then it's 12, so we don't add anything. So those are the expectations. Okay, let me say it again. Okay, let's start with that. AM. We have with the AM, we have the 12. This is the first condition. If it's 12, we just put it as 00. Okay, if it is anything other than the 12, let's say 1, 2, 3, whatever, we just paste it, okay, as is. If it's 5, it is 5. Okay, that's for the AM. For the PM, if it is 12, we leave it as is. If it's any other number, let's say 3, we add a 12 to the number. Got it? Okay, if you didn't get it, play the video again or just watch me find the code and you will get it. So let's see, here is the input, this is the expected output. So we will only play with like this part and this part. This in the middle we will neglect it because we didn't need to change anything here in between. So first, let's see, first I would need to store the hour, the time. Okay, the hour, this number, the 7, I would want it to be an integer, so I would create a variable hour and get it from the s by splitting. Okay, I will get the first two indexes from the string. After that, I want to check if the time I'm working on with right now, like the data I'm getting, is it for the AM or PM? Let's first separate those two states. So how I would get this, we would say if EM in S, then do blah blah blah, else, which is for the PM, we'll do blah blah blah, whatever else. Okay, so if it's EM and S, as we've said, if it is AM, we have on the AM two conditions. If it's 12, then we will return 00. So how would we do that? We'd say if okay, hour equals 12. Okay, if hour equals 12 and it's EM, so we have checked both states. If it is EM and if it's 12, what will we do? We will change the hour with the 00. So hour would equal 00. Got it? And then we will change the s to be our plus s, but we don't want the first part, so we would say 2, so we'll take it from that second index, and we don't want the last two numbers, or the not numbers, sorry, we don't need the last two indexes, because that indicates the AM and PM, so we will get only from 2 to -2. Great. The other situation, which is on the AM, so we are still in the AM. If it's not 12, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we said if it's on the AM, any other number other than the 12, then return the same number. Yeah, just forget something. We'd return is, and then here, instead of okay, here we are in the AM, and any other number other than the 12, we would return the number as is. So let's say it is 5. We just need to remove the AM or PM. Okay, so we just say return s to replace AM with an empty string. So we are just removing the AM letters. So for example, let's say if we imagine this is the AM, okay, it's 7 AM, let's say it is EM, we just remove those and return this number, not this, return just this part. Okay, so now let's jump on to the PM part. On the PM we have two conditions. First one, if the hour equals 12, what did we say here? If it's 12 PM, then return the 12 as is. So if hour equals 12, return is as it is, but we would replace by removing the PM. We just use the replace method to remove the PM to make it empty. Else, which is any other number, as we've said, we would add a 12. So it would be, we would return an hour, but we want it in string. No, okay, give me a moment. We would say first hour plus equals 12, that's the first thing. Then we would return our variable, but we would need it in string. Okay, plus we would need the part of the string where we wouldn't need the first two indexes, and we will not need the last two indexes, so we would use this same formula over here. Okay, let us try this. Okay, that was from the previous try. Oh, come on. Okay, forget something here. I wanted an integer, sorry. Let's run the code again. Perfect. Let's submit the code now and see what would happen. I don't know why it takes so long. It takes so much time. Come on. Okay, let me tell you about the challenge. What do we do as it progresses? As you know, I'm back right now with this series, and I'm planning to upload a new video every Sunday and Wednesday. And there's this this package, which interview kit here in Hackerrank, where there's those challenges for interviews, program interviews. Okay, so I'm thinking of like creating a separate series for it, where I'll solve some challenges every video, you know, Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. You know, really, right, I need your feedback, guys. Okay, I don't know. Okay, here we are. Great. So yep, guys, that's it for this video. Here is the code. Okay, can't fit in on the screen. Okay, let me remove this empty line. Here we are. Oh, what is this? Okay, that's it for this one. Let me just fit in the code. Here we are. Okay, so yep, guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to press the like button if you liked it, and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos, and enable the notification button. And if you have a better solution, drop it down below in the comment section, because I want to know if there's another way. Okay, that's it, and stay tuned. Peace out.